Take a look at this little apple tree. I planted this last year and it didn't really grow that much this past year, but it's time to prune them. I try to prune them at the end of winter and the beginning of spring. And so what I'm doing here is I'm going to take off some unnecessary limbs, because the idea here is to grow this tree up, have a nice broad canopy with strong limbs that can support a heavy fruit crop as the tree begins to mature. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a pair of really sharp bypass pruners. When you prune, you want to use the cutting side at the bottom of a stem this size, and you just want to take it off like that. Nice clean cut is what you're after, and you want to make sure that you leave a little bit of the branch collar. You see this wrinkled, rounded formation at the base of this limb, or where the limb was. That's the branch collar, and that's what gives the limb strength over time. And what will happen now is that branch collar will grow over this wound and cover it within a year. And I'm just going to go along here and I'm going to clean this up a little bit and take off some of these little stubs. And I've brought it up to a point where you'll have 3 major limbs as this tree begins to grow. All right? Now, one of the rules in pruning is always remove the 3 Ds: dead, diseased, and damaged. From the Garden Home, I'm Alan Smith.